Let me guess. You are wondering, do I need a big amount to start investing? And should I wait for the perfect moment? If you are a smart entrepreneur or an investor beginner, you've probably asked yourself this question at least once. So let me show you the answer, not with words, but with numbers. Before I show you the tool, let's please just take a moment. And please imagine this. You've launched your first business back in 2021. It's been tough, but you've pushed through. You've worked hard, you served your clients, and here it is. This is the end of 2021, and you successfully saved 50,000 Swiss francs or 50,000 euro. So that's a win to start, so congratulations. Now you want to invest it, but how? You hesitate. Should I go all in or should I spread it out over time? Let's explore both options. Strategy 1, the all-in bet. So you come here in this cost averaging simulator. Here in the investment amount, you will put, as we said, 50,000, but you can choose the amount you want. Okay, here you choose the date. So let's say you start January 2022. And we are going to see this until January 2025. So here, when you started investing, so in January 2022, one Bitcoin was worth around 45,000 euro, right? Or dollars. So what happened? At first, you feel proud, like you've taken action. But just weeks later, the market crashes. Bitcoin drops and it turns your investment into just 20K or something. You don't know at that time if it's coming back. You start to question everything. Maybe you hold, maybe you sell, but you make the best decision and you decide to not touch anything. Fast forward to 2025. Bitcoin hits 90,000 euro, and so your portfolio is now worth around $100,000. So great news, you're finally back on top. But here's the truth. That growth came at the cost of 2 years of stress and emotional torture. You had to endure brutal drawdowns, and if you're like most people, you probably wouldn't have held the old way. You would have sell everything with some losses. Going all in feels like jumping into a storm and hoping you will survive. So now let's see strategy 2. In strategy 2, you decide to go with the DCA method, the dollar cost averaging. And so now imagine that you have the same amount, 50,000 euro, but instead of investing it all at once, you spread it across. So that's approximately 1,390 euro per month, January 2022 to January 2025. Here with this strategy, you're not trying to time the market, you're not chasing the perfect moment, you're choosing to show up consistently every month. As Bitcoin educators, we always recommend the DCA strategy. That means investing a small amount every month via an automatic wire transfer so that this is passive. You don't need to touch anything. Obviously, we help you connect your wire transfer to your hardware wallet so that it is safe and you don't need to manually do it every month. This means that over this period, you have bought Bitcoin at every price, at 16,000, at 20,000, at 25, at 40, back to 22. You have bought every prices. And little by little, without panic selling or even just stressing about it. I like to say that it's like watering a tree each week instead of dumping a bucket once and hoping for the best. It's slow, steady, but consistent. And it's compounding. And so by January 2025, your Bitcoin portfolio is worth $143,000. A lot more than the all-in approach, right? With far less stress. This is the same investment, but here you have a better outcome because you let the math and the market cycles work in your favor. So now, why does the DCA work and why does it work better? Because investing isn't just math. It's also emotion, it's mindset, it's how you behave when things change and especially when things get hard. And this strategy gives you less regret, less volatility, fewer bad decisions, and more resilience overall. And most importantly, you stay in the game. And that's the only way to win. Even with just €100 per month, you can start building long-term wealth. You don't need a perfect timing, you need consistent action. And you know what? The bigger risk isn't Bitcoin itself. It's going all in without understanding what you're doing, without strategy, without proper guidance. One mistake, one phishing link, a forgotten password, a panic sell, and you are out. That's why I built a protocol that is 100% passive. After only a few sessions together, you will walk away with proper strategy, a secure wallet, a simple automated investment flow, a long-term strategy, and real clarity and peace of mind. You won't need to manage it or check the price every day. Your system will work for you quietly in the background, so you can go and enjoy your life and your loved ones, knowing that your money is finally working hard for you. So step 1, feel free to try this free app, this free simulator I built just for you. It shows in real numbers how much money you can gain by investing in Bitcoin. And now you finally see how much and why waiting is the most expensive decision that you're doing. If you already feel like you can do it on your own, you will find direct access to trusted platforms through my affiliate links, totally optional. But if you use them, just know you get discounted fees and you support my work at the same time. So your move. If the tool speaks to you, the next step is really simple. Enroll in this exclusive online program. Tutorials, videos, real example, exercises, all designed to help you get started safely on your own and at your pace. You don't need to be an expert, you just need the right path. Step 3. If you're a smart entrepreneur and a smart investor and you are still here, you will probably want to go a little bit deeper and make sure everything is set up properly. And that's where I step in. Book your free call and I will help you review your goals, fix any doubts, build your own step-by-step roadmap. You've been thinking about crypto and Bitcoin for a while now, maybe even years for some. You've saved, you hesitated, you tried other things with mixed results. Now you're here and this is your sign. Don't let another year pass in indecision. So let's talk and I will see you because you are clicking on the link just now. Thank you.